Okay, so today let's meet our fellow primate called the ring-tailed lemur. Let's do it. Hello, I'm MAK and welcome back to our channel. We are here to educate you on creatures and literally stop people from destroying nature. Quick tip, don't cut down trees. And I think I will pull this to in one of the topics today. So today we are going to talk about our fellow primate, and we are primates, so it's natural. And today we have a ring-tailed lemur. So now I will tell you the scientific name. So today we are talking about ring-tailed lemurs, but we are also talking about the general um, types of lemurs, the all lemurs. And so, if you're talking about lemurs, generally in lemurs, then the scientific name is Lemuroidea. But if you're talking about a ring-tailed lemur, which is a representative of the lemurs, then you should be saying Lemur Catta. Okay, get your books, but now I'm going to teach you a new word. I hope you never heard of it. Oh, or just kidding. So, ring-tailed lemurs are endemic. There's the word endemic to Africa and Madagascar. And lemurs do have a very thriving story. Let me tell you the story. A long time ago, lemurs happily lived in Africa, not in Madagascar. They were all around the place. But then, suddenly, monkeys came in, and they were more aggressive than lemurs. And so lemurs started to lose popularity. But then lemurs somehow managed to get to the island of Madagascar. And then they developed into many species of lemur, like the ring-tailed lemur, the red-eyed blue orange lemur or something, and like these things. And in Madagascar, there were no monkeys to bother them. So they lived happily there, and that's how the lemurs are now endemic to Madagascar because they don't have anywhere else to live. But what do I mean by more aggressive? Meaning that lemurs were aggressive too? Yep. And they are aggressive, well, everywhere, in front of everybody. Because they are protecting their territory. And they are really serious about it. But why? Well, let's say what's a territory first. A territory basically means the requirements a creature needs to survive. And a ring-tailed lemur lives in a social group, and a female, which is in the leaders, is called the alpha, and it is the leader of the group. But they have a they are aggressive at their territory because they they just want everything, or they just want the berries, the fruits, the nuts, and everything that they can find, and they just go. But now I've solved the question, right? Well, not really, but you can also give your opinion in the comment section below. Now here comes the stinky part. Did they have a stinky part? Okay, I'll take it. And they send to mark their territory. And that's why they're aggressive, because you know, you know. And but how do they send mark? Well, in on their throat, they rub their arms within the throat, and there is a oil that mixes into stink, and then they just rub it on trees and and everywhere where their territory belongs. But there's a more stinkier part. Wait a second. Okay, this is my desk. Okay, let's continue. And so now, the stinkiest part is about their stink fight. Yes, the stink fight can give yourself. Okay, you won't feel the stink really. When a group is in somebody else's territory, then lemurs have to defend their territory, and so they they use their tail as a sword when you're fencing, and then they just shoot the stink at their enemy, and boom, they're stinked. So now you know stink is stink when it comes to lemurs. So now let's jump to the basics. Their weight is 2.2 kilograms, and that is in adult, and their length is 39 to 46 centimeters, that too in adult. Did you know lemurs have 2 tongues? That's right. And their tongues are for grooming others, and that's how they build relationships with others. There are 3 to 25 individuals left in the wild. So, or are they in one group? 3 to 25 in a group. Yeah, they are in a group, yes. And they eat a variety of food. They eat leaves, flowers, insects, fruits, herbs, small vertebrates. So there is no that lemurs are omnivores. They are arboreal animals, meaning they spend time in the trees uh, because they love to. I'm not saying that there are predators in Madagascar. No bears, no lions. It's a peaceful place. And so, and their lifespan in the wild is 16 to 19 years. That's about a teenager in a human world. And so that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe and hit the like button and share with your friends so they can too learn about this stinky situation and the story behind lemurs endemic to Madagascar. And enjoy the rest of your creature day, and I will see all of you in the next video.